Beautiful, cloud-free, blue skies, drier air pushing into the valley, and still summer-like at 82 degrees. We have a 39% relative humidity as the stickiness of the air has really dropped down. Wind tapering off a bit. It's from the north at 16 miles per hour. Grand Forks, we have 82 this hour. Wind's still a little gusty, over 25 miles per hour. That northwesterly flow starting to usher in some cooler air in our northwestern counties. 70s there, mid-70s in Lakes Country, Bemidji 79, Wadena holding on to 81, and the warmest of the air far east and far south. Sisseton still 86. It's 89 in Aberdeen. Here's a look at the satellite and radar, and we see a whole lot of nothing. In fact, we have to travel a lot of miles, 244 of them to be exact, before we see any thunder shower activity in our region at all. So it's going to be quiet this evening with our flow from the northwest decreasing as we head through your evening. Temperatures will subside into those 70s. It's going to be just almost perfect out there and very comfortable. Overnight, we'll see an increase in clouds. Watch the top of the weather map here as we see from Canada a cool pool of air pushing in to our northern and eastern counties in northern Minnesota. So we'll be partly cloudy there, clear elsewhere, and temperatures in the very comfortable 50s to around 60 degrees. Light winds from the northwest will increase just a little bit in the afternoon, 10 to 20 miles per hour. And the clouds will be more a fixture in the northern valley into northern Minnesota. And that's where that cool pool is sloshing in on that northwesterly wind. We can draw a line diagonally from the Devil's Lake Basin right down through the central Red River Valley to the south and east. And what we'll notice is we'll still be very warm down there. Southwest portions of our viewing area will have temperatures in the 80s and in fact near 90 degrees from Aberdeen through Bismarck. Ellendale in the afternoon, mid-80s there. And we'll see temperatures on the north and east side of that boundary much cooler with more clouds. Very comfortable though, still mid-70s for many of you. By tomorrow evening, those clouds don't produce anything in the way of rain. The wind decreases and it'll be another perfect night heading into your weekend. So here is your hour-by-hour forecast for Fargo-Moorhead. Rise and shine. It'll be 59 on your thermometer on the car as you're driving in. The wind does pick up through the early hours of your day, and we'll peak and spend most of our afternoon in the mid to upper 70s. Briefly, a stint in the 80s tomorrow afternoon and plentiful sunshine. Again, the cool pool, you can see it's kind of sloshed into northern and central Minnesota. Mid-70s for many of those areas, all the way up to the mid-80s to our south and west of the FM area. Thunder and lightning in the skies, and what a show we've had overnight from the thunder and lightning across the region. Candy uploading a dandy. Thank you for uploading that to valleynewslive.com. Here is a look at your planning forecast. Saturday, the warmth returns to Fargo at least. I believe it will still be on the cool side for our neighbors across much of central Minnesota with 70s there, but sunny and dry day. There will be a chance for some spotty thunderstorms on Sunday. We'll keep you apprised as to whether or not they'll be strong. Right now, doesn't look like a big outbreak, but we'll keep our eyes on that. Still in the mid-80s. And if you miss the heat and sultry conditions, take a gander at the rest of the 7-day planner. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, the sweaty factor returns with temperatures rising into the 90s by late week with some scattered showers and thunderstorms through the midweek. I, for one, am enjoying the much drier air. Maybe crack the windows and spend some time on the deck tonight.
For a lot of people, 80s are just perfect.
It is.
Thanks, Ed.
You're welcome.